Alright, found the marker. It was right here. So I wrote the dates. Don't mind. I write the time because So it's not 1:13. It's like 1:15. But unplug that stereo audio, 4K 30. I'm gonna turn this light on. That way you can hear the fan in there. Grab the filter. Fuck! That was the tape. Now listen to the furnace fan. Listen to it. It will change speeds. I can get this fucking furnace filter in there. Listen. It changed. It sped up a little bit. This one would make it speed up so much more. But yeah, I put tape here because it was like throughout the whole fucking house. And boy, was it ever fucking annoying. So let me just, sorry for the bad angle. Now I'm gonna turn off the furnace fan as well. So now it's off. Now it's off. Now I can put this on properly. There we go. And I'm gonna kick on the AC. And it's gonna go to full blast. Contact. Click. Here it goes. There we go. And that's good for another 3 months. I'm gonna put this one in the garage. But yeah, like, subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.